up in Devas, a small town in Madhya Pradesh, my hometown, I have seen women do jugaad to set off their own small ventures. They would travel to Surat, buy clothes in bulk, and sell it in our neighborhood. Or make papads at home and sell them to small companies. They would hustle every single day to be able to financially support their households. While growing up, they taught me that if you have the entrepreneurial spirit, you can start a business from home. My name is Pawan Patil, and I am a software engineer here at Meesho. I have been with Meesho for a little over 4 years. I joined back in 2016. What inspired me the most was the Meesho's mission to empower women and get them started on their entrepreneurial journey. Working at Meesho is different. I have complete ownership of whatever I do. It's like you're in charge of taking things from 0 to 1 and eventually scaling them. Working with the team at Meesho while being very close to our users, we are no less than a work family. Back when I joined Meesho, we were a team of 10 people with everyone doing everything. In tech, we were 4 people. Now we are 800 people strong team. Looking back, I feel proud of how far we have come, how fast we have grown, and the tremendous impact that we have created. The people at Meesho inspire me. At Meesho, I have the privilege to be working with some of the smartest folks in the industry. The team is so engrossed in solving problems that I would want to be here at Meesho every day hustling with them. With Meesho, it is effortless to start an online shop. Meesho as a platform handles everything for our entrepreneurs, be it payments, logistics, inventory. I have personally introduced many of my neighbors and acquaintances back in Devas to Meesho. They all are proud owners of their online boutique, their own business. From my life, one of the powerful examples is where one entrepreneur was running a successful business on Meesho and was able to pay for all of her son's tuition fees. He now has a business card. That's how close I was to the impact of what Meesho was enabling all over India. Knowing that Meesho is now the leading company helping women entrepreneurs, I feel ecstatic. The journey from when we started 4 years ago to where we are now has been full of emotions. The feeling that I have contributed to the phenomenal impact that Meesho has brought to the lives of millions of entrepreneurs in India and Indonesia, in a very simple word, is good. For me, this brings a huge sense of personal achievement. Meesho has grown like a rocket ship, and I hope it continues to grow so. It is extremely rare that you get an opportunity to create a first-hand social impact. For me, it started with the mission, and however we may grow, it will be about the mission, to enable anyone to start their own business online without an investment.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from Life at Meesho.